Okay. Continuing in Begin Again Now by Rabbi Pliskin. It should be an Alina Shama for Gramsci. And it should help out my holy brothers who I have in mind. People differ greatly. We're still in this paragraph on page 26. People differ greatly as to which program they run spontaneously. Life circumstances vary. Some individuals have experienced many difficulties and have been witness to many models of negative programming. Their default is how to make yourself miserable. If this is true for you, make a special effort to learn the art of reframing. See the section by that name. Make a special effort to learn, to master the ability to focus on the joys of living and to evaluate the past, present, and future in ways that will enhance your life. Yesterday, in the last entry we did, we talked about how there are two programs and our mind switches states all day long. And today we're learning something important. Rabbi Pliskin is acknowledging that indeed, some of us have been through very difficult and challenging times, lots of suffering, and been raised with difficult circumstances, which means we may very much have our autopilot set to how to make my life miserable programming, which is very frustrating. In fact, many people in our depression groups see that it can be very, very hard to get unstuck from those things. And yet, he's saying, no problem. We have to make a special effort for reprogramming. Now, that comes in all shapes and sizes. But indeed, I can tell you from a decade of therapy and coaching that it is very possible. We just need some clever, powerful strategies. Now, there is always how to make my life joyous programming available. And sometimes it involves giving up on being joyous, which is interesting, right? You would think I should be striving to be joyous. No, we need to strive to find the program, how to live a joyous life. Because when I try to make myself experience something that is not within my ability to experience, it makes me miserable. Do you know what I mean? Right? In other words, I keep trying to make my apple into an orange. Apple, be an orange. Apple, be an orange. Apple, be an orange. And it's just frustrating. So, in fact, the first tool in finding how to run a program to live a joyous life might very much be to let go. Let go. Let go. Whatever today is, it is what it is. And I will just enjoy the small things in front of me that are actually very big things. So, that's the tool of the day. Let go and see if we can access a different program than we normally do in our frustration of trying to make an apple into an orange.